Welcome back, my risk takers, to the humble abode channel that's going to get you profitable and become a better trader. Because we need to get to that gabagoo. We need to get to that money. Alright? Do you understand what I'm saying? If you don't, keep sticking in tune here because we're gonna teach you how to get that money. Alright, so supply and demand. I'm back. Supply and demand. Alright? What to look for, how to set it up, and how to take the trade. Simple, simple. It really isn't that complicated. We're going to open up TradingView. We're going to go to a symbol, GC. Let's see. So I do see already a couple, but I like this one right here. This is honestly a very nice example. Let me close this. This right here is a nice example for supply. So supply is a sell-off towards the downside, and a demand is a buy towards the upside. So when we're looking for our supply and demand zones, we want to have the significant push, not making its way downtown, walking around like this, you know, little steps. Nah, we want, I'm walking here, boom, stepping in, down, showing control of the market, right? So with this big sell-off point, what we are going to do is then mark up the opposite candle before the sell-off point for our supply zone. What does that look like? Just like this. The opposite candle right before the sell-off. From wick to wick, wick to wick, and drag it across, right? And when you drag it across, look at that, touches twice. Now I'm going to show you the beauty of supply and demand. Alright, pay attention, pay attention. Look how it happens. Price has a significant push towards the downside. Big push, big boys pushing, moving the market, showing you who's in control. Price then starts to make its way back up little by little, and when it does, game over, because we gonna get ready to take that trade and get this money and take it out and screw the markets, because we get our money in and out, in and out. I don't want to hear it. So this is how we do it, right? I showed you what to look for: big movements down or big movements up. But in this case, we have supply, so we're looking for the big push down, movers moving the market. How to set it up? You go ahead and draw your zone on the opposite candle before the big movement. Right here, this is our zone. Now we wait for price to work its way up into our zone, and what we're looking for is a break of candle. Now what does that look like? Again, simple. I got you. I got you. Right? Break candle. Okay, so this candle right here comes into our zone, taps in, goes all the way up to here, and starts rejecting. On the next one, opens up here, starts to go up, starts to reject, which is good for us because we are in supply, and closes down here. Now, still, we haven't gotten the break of candle yet. Now on the next one, right here, oh why did it do that? Right here, on this one is where it gave us our break of candle. So what is a break of candle? When this candle broke this entire candle right here, meaning the bottom of that candle, the moment this candle is moving and breaks this right here, the previous candle, that's the break of candle, I'm getting in right there. Now what do? I'll show you what I do. Let me move that there like this. Alright, I get my short position and I get in right there. Bam. Beautiful. I put my stop loss above the zone to be safe, because you don't want to get tapped out and then it goes in the direction you wanted, because then you would really feel like you even got tapped out in like an MMA situation. Can't breathe. You want to just you feel me? So put it a little bit above the zone so that you don't get snipped. Alright, and then once it breaks the candle, get in the zone, set your stop loss, and go for a 1-to-1. Don't go for a 4-to-1, don't go for a 7-to-1, go for a 1-to-1. Whatever it is that you're risking, 1%, 2%, 3%, 20%, 30%, whatever it is that you guys like to risk, whatever it is that you have on your trading plan, go for a 1-to-1, take your money, and get out. That's what the market is for, right? So we have it right here. Easy smash, bro. Easy smash, bro. Easy. Easy. 1-to-1. And guess what? It happens again. Price tends to come back up into the zone. And what are we going to do? We are going to wait for the break of candle. Simple, guys. Simple. Candle. This one right here even hit our zone, but we didn't have a break, because this one continued to go up, didn't have a break. This one continued to go up, didn't have the break. But on this jack skellington of a candle right here, this right here, man, look at this. Break a candle right there. The moment this wick came down, even though it rejected, right? Even though it rejected, the moment this wick came down, I'm getting in. I'm getting in, putting my stop loss right above the zone. Same spot as the other one is, right? Easy. Easy. Go for your 1-to-1. Go for your 1-to-1. There it is. Bada beam, bada boom. Can't complain. Can't complain. You basically hit 2% if you're trading at 1%. Trading at 20, you hit 40%. If you're trading at 15, you hit 30%. If you're trading at 3%, you hit 6%. You understand what I'm saying? Do you understand the words that are coming out of my mouth? Because I'm speaking English and it's pretty simple. Okay? This is money talk right here. This is money talk. So you wait for that break of candle, set your stop loss, put your take profit, let it do its thing, and you got your 1-to-1 right there. Easy. Easy supply zone right there. Easy supply zone right there. If I had to, for a quick demand, this one isn't that bad, but it kind of did break out the zone a little bit. But it had good rejections, so I can show you this one. This one does count as well. This is towards the upside, right? We have a nice big candle right here, and this was decent right there, but wasn't as big actually. We had these as well here. So for another demand, for demand, we have push towards the upside. Nice push here with these three candles. We're gonna go ahead and draw a opposite candle right before the buy and just put our zone from wick to wick. Price did come out the zone a little bit. How much exactly? Let's see. 1.5 pips. Okay, this is reasonable. Now, if we're talking about 10 pips, alright, maybe it's a little sketchy. I wouldn't really take it. Maybe it could have been invalid. There's always another trade. But 1.5, come on. Come on, you're scared? Scared money don't make money, okay? Come on. Alright, so we draw in our zones. What do? We wait for it to tap back into our zone. And then, exactly, break of candle. I know somebody said it. Break of candle. Now, this big rejection. And if we're to demand and we just got this rejection, that's good. Why are you complaining? Don't get scared. Don't get nervous. You got this. The next candle shows us what it wants to do. And it does what we wanted it to do. Hits our zone. Starts rejecting. Even better. Next one opens up around here. Starts going up. Probably starts going down. Rejects again. And break. The moment we break this candle, the moment that candle broke the previous one after hitting our zone, I'm taking the trade. We go for the buy. We set it up right there at the break. Guys, again, look at that. Since this wick came a little lower from our zone, I would put my stop loss right below that wick. Perfectly fine. And I would just target my 1-to-1. 1-to-1. There it is. If you had extra lots that you had placed in, you know, go for that 1-to-1 and let a runner go on. You put it at a break even and let your runners take off. And you could have hit a 2-to-1 easily. Easily. 2-to-1 easily. Right there. Can't tell me no. Can't tell me no. I've seen this too many times. Experienced it too many times. There it is. That's supply and demand for you guys right there. It happens everywhere. It happens consistently. You take this information and do as you please. Make your account fat. Make that money. Stack that guap. Do what you gotta do. But make sure you don't break your trading rules. Supply and demand is as simple as this, guys. If you apply it with your discipline, you will see the consistency of being profitable, guaranteed. But that's all I got for you guys today. Quick and easy. I told you, who knew that money could be this easy to make? They tell you a lot of things that money is not easy to make. It is if you know what you're looking for and if you know what you're doing. But like I said, that's all I got for you guys today. Stay lit, stay safe, and make sure you chase that gabagoo. Peace.